to PhillipCapital Weekly Market Watch. I'm Alice, Global Market Specialist from Phillip Securities Global Markets. The recent market can be described as troublesome due to the frequent black swan events caused by nature and politics, and this made the financial markets more volatile. Now let's have a brief review on these 2 weeks financial market hotspots. Last week, US Texas and Florida suffered a series of hurricane attacks. It was reported that experts estimate the losses caused by Hurricane Irma to be around $100 billion. Hurricane Harvey is currently the most expensive hurricane in the history of the United States, resulting in losses of $190 billion. The two hurricanes caused economic losses equivalent to 1.5% of US GDP. During this period, the US insurance stocks were most affected, and the sector just rebounded this Monday after Hurricane Irma wound down and weakened. And the black swans are not flying out only from the US. On 3rd September, North Korea carried out its 6th nuclear test to detonate a hydrogen bomb, which is the largest nuclear test in the history of North Korea. Continued escalation of geopolitical tensions in the Korean peninsula pushed up the market risk aversion sentiment. Asian stock markets generally opened at lower prices on the next trading day, while gold as a hedge asset rose $10 in the early morning. The highest price reported was $1,338.21 per ounce that day. And US stocks generally fell. The Dow Jones Index dropped more than 200 points that day. Standard & Poor's Index hit the biggest decline in 3 weeks. The Nasdaq fell nearly 1%, while 10-year US Treasury hit the largest single-day gain since Brexit. Let's look at the China market. The Chinese central bank issued a document to adjust the foreign exchange risk reserve ratio from 20% to 0, with effect from 11 September. This is intended to cool down the expected continued appreciation of RMB. Around 9 p.m. on 11 September, both onshore and offshore RMB against US dollar fell more than 400 points. In addition, the Chinese government formally announced that ICO, which stands for the initial coin offering, is an illegal financing and should be immediately stopped. This news led to the slump of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin US dollar spot fell about 8% to $4,200 intraday, taking all the gains before this month, and fell more than $700 in just 2 days. The price of Bitcoin just achieved its highest price on the 2nd day of this month. Looking at the Singapore market, on 8 September, China HNA Group officially proposed to take over the Singapore-listed logistic company CWT with $1 billion. The bid price was $2.33 per share, which was the same as the initial offering in May. CWT said in a recent filing to the SGX that the purchase price was 2.2% higher than the company's closing price on Wednesday. HNA Group expects the acquisition of CWT to benefit it from China's Belt and Road Initiative plan. With this, we have come to the end of this week's Market Watch. For more information on global equities, you may approach any representative from Phillip Global Markets. Subscribe to us on PhillipCapital YouTube channel and Facebook for more Market Watch videos. Thank you.